Have you ever noticed something strange about most websites? Two images, same project, same result, but one gets ignored while the other actually keeps attention. That's the problem with most WordPress portfolios today. You show your before and after results, but visitors don't feel the transformation. They don't stop, they don't interact, and most importantly, they don't convert. Because static images don't tell a story, they only show parts of it. And that's where most portfolios fail. Think about it. Whether you're a designer, photographer, developer, or agency, your work is about transformation. But when visitors see only side-by-side images, they have to mentally compare them. And most users don't do that. So even if your work is powerful, the impact gets lost. That means less trust, fewer inquiries, and weaker portfolio performance. Now imagine something better. Instead of static images, your visitors can actually drag and experience the transformation instantly. That's what a comparison portfolio in WordPress does. And today, I'll show you how to build it step by step without any coding. Go to Before/After sliders and click Add New. Start by giving your slider a name. For example, Website Redesign Project or Skin Treatment Result. This helps you organize your projects properly. Next, choose the slider type, usually the two-image comparison. Upload your before image first, and then your after image. Make sure both images are properly aligned and consistent in size. This ensures a smooth and professional comparison experience. Now you can customize your slider. Add labels like before and after, or make them more descriptive like original design and final result. You can also choose how users interact. Horizontal drag for side-by-side comparison, or vertical drag for top to bottom. Now move to the style settings. Here you can adjust the divider, handle, labels, and overall design. The key is simplicity. Don't over-design it, because the transformation itself should be the focus. Once everything is ready, copy the shortcode. Open the page where you want your portfolio. Add a shortcode block and paste it. Now your interactive before-after slider is live on your website. To build a complete comparison portfolio in WordPress, simply repeat the process. Add multiple projects, client work, design transformations, renovation results. Organize them into a clean layout so visitors can explore easily. Now your portfolio is no longer static, it's interactive. Visitors don't just look at your work, they experience it. And that builds trust, increases engagement, and improves conversions. And that's how you create a powerful comparison portfolio in WordPress using WP Before/After Image Slider. Start with your best transformation projects and turn your portfolio into something that actually sells your work. Presentation is everything.